So, you're leaving our school system. You're graduating, retiring, or moving, and you need to transfer the contents of your school email account in Google Drive to a personal Google account. This short video will help you do that. Since it's an educational domain, your school email has unlimited storage, but a personal Gmail account is limited to 15 gigabytes. So, it's a good idea to delete unwanted files before you begin the transfer process in both your Drive and your email. Also, if you have files that are owned by other people that are shared with you and you'd like to keep them, be sure to make a copy before you begin the transfer process. If you don't have a personal Gmail account, be sure to create one at gmail.com before you begin. When you're ready, be sure you're signed into your school account and go to myaccount.google.com. Once you're there, look under Transfer Your Content and click on Start Transfer. Yours will look a little different because I've been playing around with this, so yours should look like this. It will ask you to enter a destination account, and this is where you should type the email address that you've just recently created. Now, so Google will know that you're the person who initiated this process. They will send a code to your destination account that you'll need to paste in here. So click on Send Code. Then you'll need to go to your destination account, and it should just take a few seconds for that code to arrive. Click on Verify, Get Confirmation Code, and when the code comes up, simply copy it using Control-C on your keyboard. Go back, paste it using Control-V, and click Verify. Then it will ask you to select the content you'd like to copy and transfer. Notice by default it shows you Drive and Gmail, and then all you have to do is simply click Start Transfer. And that's it. Once you've clicked Transfer Your Content, then the transfer process starts. You'll notice in your email that you've received a notice that your content is on its way. When your transfer is finished, you'll receive an email at your destination account, and it will let you know your content has arrived. You'll also notice you have lots of new emails in your inbox, and if you go to your Drive, you'll see new files there as well. Now, you can take your files with you. Good luck!